Hello there, in this question we need to find the maximum fuel load. To find the maximum load, first we need to find the maximum takeoff mass. Now the takeoff mass can be limited by structure limited takeoff mass or performance limited takeoff mass or maximum zero fuel mass or maximum landing mass. Now the lowest of these three values is given in the question, which happens to be 4200 kg. Okay, let's write it down here. And we need to compare it with one more thing, which is the takeoff mass obtained from maximum landing mass. Now maximum landing mass is 3700 plus trip fuel, which equals 4000. So the takeoff mass obtained from maximum landing mass is 4000 kg. Since 4000 is less than 4200, the maximum takeoff mass for us is 4000 kg. Okay. So the maximum fuel load can be 4000, which is maximum takeoff mass, minus dry operating mass plus traffic load, which happens to be 2800 plus 400, 3200. So it's 4000 minus 3200, which comes out to be 800. So answer is B, 800 maximum fuel load. Thank you.